Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing two standout smart home lighting options, the LIFX Beam and the Nanoleaf Canvas. The big question is, which one is more interactive? Let's find out. The LIFX Beam is known for its sleek, linear design and vibrant colors. With individually addressable segments, you can create stunning gradients and dynamic lighting effects. It integrates with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, and its app allows for music synchronization and customizable scenes. While interactive in its own right, the Beam is more about creating striking visuals than fostering a fully immersive experience. The Nanoleaf Canvas, on the other hand, takes interactivity to the next level. Its modular, square panels feature touch-sensitive surfaces, allowing you to physically control the lights by tapping them. The canvas also reacts to music and sound, creating a dynamic, audio-responsive light show. Additionally, its built-in motion sensors can trigger specific lighting scenes, making it a more immersive and engaging lighting solution. Which is more interactive? The Nanoleaf Canvas wins this round, offering touch responsiveness, audio reactive capabilities, and motion detection for an unparalleled interactive experience. Which lighting option would you choose for your smart home? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.